And this location of On Point NYC is duplicated with another in East Harlem. They say that what they do is successful, even though it is not easy. A look in the block near one of the city's safe injection sites is not always pretty. We saw various scenes like this of people apparently overcome from the effects of illicit drugs, but listening to the people who live here and have had direct contact with the overdose prevention centers reveals a lot. They say that without this place,
it would be worse than what you see now. You see what you see now? It's what we worse than that.
By going in a decent place to use, they give you the tools to use so that you don't infect somebody.
They're talking about On Point NYC, an organization that's been allowed to operate 2 sites in the city where people can find clean needles and other paraphernalia, as well as medical staff, showers, and other facilities in which to use drugs safely. Recent analysis by the organization concluded it's intervened in more than 1,000 overdoses since it started operating nearly 2 years ago. It's why this, from the federal prosecutor, is sparking controversy. He called the injection sites, quote, unacceptable, and added, "My office is prepared to exercise all options, including enforcement, if this situation does not change in short order."
It's a little shocking. I appreciate literally hundreds, maybe more, maybe into the thousands, the amount of people who reached out for support.
Sam Rivera, the founder of On Point NYC, the overdose prevention center, is limiting his reactions to the U.S. Attorney's comments, saying that the results of the work of the centers and the lives and money they've saved speak for themselves.
It's a health issue. Our folks, black and brown and poor white folks, are dying at an outrageous rate. And it's a political issue now. Like, we're waiting for politicians to make decisions on whether we could keep people alive.
State Assembly member Linda Rosenthal and State Senator Gustavo Rivera have now introduced legislation that would shield the sites legally. That endorses the mission, say a former client and the founder.
Loving folks who haven't been loved, man, and giving them an opportunity.
I overdosed, and they saved my life. So that place is really helpful.
And a variety of anti-addiction organizations have endorsed On Point NYC as well. That legislation to protect it legally in the state, while it's been introduced, it has yet to be debated or voted on.